common method of communicating outside the workplace in relation to professionalism is social media. When you participate in social media sites such as Facebook, LinkedIn, and Twitter, there are important considerations to take into account. Your company may have a social media policy. Familiarize yourself with that policy. Some key things to keep in mind about social media. First, don't get into arguments on social media and consider the professional image you want to project. Remember that what you post may be seen as a reflection of your company. Post a clear picture of yourself and learn about privacy settings so you can set them accordingly. Remove yourself from any inappropriate group discussions and delete comments others may post on your profile if their post contains images or remarks that may tarnish the professional image you wish to portray. Anything you say on social media is public, so be polished and professional, even if it's a personal account. You may want separate personal and work accounts. Know what your digital footprint looks like. Google yourself and examine what other people will see. By practicing effective communication within and outside the workplace, including good social media etiquette, you'll enhance and preserve your reputation as a professional.